What happened in cybersecurity in September? Watch this episode of Cybersecurity News to stay up to date. Personal data of millions of US voters appeared on a Russian hacker forum. Some of its users claim they monetized the data through the State Department's program to prevent election meddling. Check Point researchers found out hackers could take over an Android phone remotely. All it took was sending a specially created image to a victim. Moreover, a couple of weeks ago, Facebook was accused of monitoring Instagram users through their cameras. Hackers leaked data of 1,000 Belarus security officers. They did this to retaliate for the crackdown on demonstrations against Alexander Lukashenko. According to the Insect Group report, China's state-backed hackers attacked Vatican online networks. The strike took place ahead of a renewal of a provisional agreement between China and the Holy See. The first reports of hackers targeting the Vatican and other Catholic organizations surfaced back in July. Check Point research uncovered a 6-year-long surveillance campaign against Iranian expats and dissidents. A vast arsenal of intrusion tools was used to steal personal data and login credentials. Oracle and Walmart will purchase a 20% stake of TikTok Global each. November 12th is the deadline to complete the sale. For more news, don't forget to subscribe to NordVPN YouTube channel.